Morning, everybody. It's Wiley. After the full pond and about 6 inches of rain last night, what I figured was going to happen did happen. It didn't fare too well. Let me get this started for you. So, she's still about 3 foot deep. Actually, that's about normal for the height of the pond during the summer when we're not getting any rain. But we had a breach last night. My little dam didn't fare too well. Won't be a hard fix, but I guess she got a little more than that little drain over there could handle. Actually, I think is what happened. Looks like the wind has blown some. Looks like a lid to one of our coolers and a piece of styrofoam. Wind probably blew that into the pond, and it probably plugged that drain up and let it get too high, and that's the result. Still plenty of water for the ducks to play in, but I want to get that fixed. Anyway, guys, there you go. There you have it. She couldn't handle the pressure. So here's the dam. And there it was. Not good, guys, but it can be fixed. I take that any day over one of them tornadoes hitting the house, so.